If you like to take your Jeep out on the trail and are looking to protect the underside of it, then today we're going to be installing this Rubicon Express fuel tank skid plate fitting your 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK two-door Wrangler. This Rubicon Express skid plate features 1/4-inch thick steel construction with a durable gloss black powder coat finish. It's going to protect the fuel tank and all the vulnerable areas that are associated with that. The factory fuel tank skid is only about 1/16 of an inch thick. This is really going to reinforce that, and it's going to bolt right on. It includes all the necessary hardware, so let's get installed on my 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Tools needed for this installation: a lift or a jack and jack stands, 1/2-inch ratchet, 18mm socket, 19mm socket, drill, 1/4-inch drill bit, 3/8-inch drill bit, 3/8-inch ratchet, and a 9/16 socket. The first step of this installation is to get your Jeep up in the air. We do have a lift, however you can do it with a jack and jack stands. There's a few bolts around the edge of the factory skid plate that have to be pulled out. Let's get started. Remove these 2 bolts on the cross member. Remove this one, it's on the side of the vehicle right along the frame rail. The last bolt is right here on the inside. Then we're going to get our new gas tank skid into place. Grab an extra set of hands and place the gas tank skid up into place. We're going to start one of these bolts right here. We'll get one up in the front. Get the second one in the front. Just tighten this one up by hand. Then we'll tighten all 4 of these bolts. In the back, you actually have to drill, so let's get all these tightened, then we can drill out back. There's a hole back here and on the other side that has to be drilled. I'm gonna go ahead and punch it. Get that started with a pilot hole. Only go through the first layer. The gas tank is underneath here. We're gonna put the nut plate behind it after we drill it out. Then we're going to drill it out to the final size. Go ahead and put the provided nut plate through the back like this. Grab your bolt with a washer. Just start it in the front. Then we'll get it nice and tightened up. On the outside of the skid plate, there's another hole here that you have to punch. Then we'll get it drilled out. Go ahead and slide the nut tab on the back, then thread your bolt through with a lock washer. Get that nice and tight, then your installation is complete. We just finished up the installation of the Rubicon Express gas tank skid plate on our 2-door Jeep Wrangler. It looks really nice, but the main purpose of this skid plate is for protection. And it's really thick. I think it's going to do a great job out on the trails. You can find this skid plate as well as many other great parts for your 2-door JK right here at cjponyparts.com.